learn about the human eyes. Come, let's get started. The human eye is an organ that reacts to light and allows vision. When we see something, what we are seeing is actually reflected light. Light rays bounce off of objects and into our eyes. How eye works. When we look at an object, the light it gives off enters the eye through the cornea and the lens. These both focus the light before it reaches the retina. At the retina, the light produces an upside-down image of the object. The retina sends this information along with the optic nerve to the brain. The brain turns the image right way up. Parts of the eye. Cornea. It is the eye's outermost layer. When the light strikes the cornea, it bends or refracts the incoming light onto the lens. The lens further refocuses that light onto the retina. Every time we blink, tears are distributed across the cornea to keep the eye moist, help wounds heal, and protect against infection. It acts as a barrier against dirt, germs, and other particles that can harm the eye. Lens. The lens changes shape to focus the light onto the retina. It provides a fine-tuning adjustment to the primary focusing structure of the eye, which is the cornea. Vitreous Humour. It is a jelly-like liquid behind the lens. It helps the eye to retain its round shape, which is essential for vision. Iris. It is the colored part of the eye that controls the amount of light that enters into the eye. Eye color is the color of the iris. The sphincter muscle within the iris constricts the pupil in bright light, and the dilator muscle of the iris dilates, that is, enlarges the pupil in dim lighting and in the dark. Pupil. It is a round hole in the center of the iris that allows light to reach the retina. Sclera. It is also known as the white of the eye. It is the white part of the eye that surrounds the iris and pupil. It acts as a protective membrane for the eyeball. Retina. It changes light into nervous signals. Its role is to sense the light, which gets into the eye and send information about it to the brain. The retina has two lots of cells called rods and cones. Rods can see black and white. Cones can see colors. Choroid. The middle layer between the retina and sclera is called the choroid. It contains blood vessels that supply the retina with nutrients and oxygen and remove its waste products. Optic nerve. signals from the retina are carried to the brain by the optic nerve. It is made up of millions of nerve fibers that transmit the impulses to the visual cortex, the part of the brain responsible for our sight. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.